The thin and powerful HP Pavilion Gaming 15 laptop lets you experience high-grade graphics and processing power that meets your gaming and multitasking needs. The laptop weighs only 2.19 kg, making it ideal for gaming on the move. Powered by AMD Ryzen 5 3550H quad-core processor with 2.3 GHz base clock speed up to 3.7 GHz max boost clock speed. With 4 MB L3 cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. This notebook features 8 GB DDR4 upgradable RAM and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 3GB GDDR5 graphics that allows you to play games and perform graphics editing with ease. The HP laptop has internal storage of 1 TB 7200 RPM SATA HDD plus 256 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. It comes with 3-cell 52.5 Wh lithium-ion fast-charge battery, which gives you up to 8 hours of battery life. This laptop has efficient cooling with dual fans designed with a full-size rear vent thermal, so no struggling with your game. This laptop has full-size ultraviolet backlit keyboard with numeric keypad. A sleek 15.6-inch micro-edge bezel Full HD IPS display provides a maximum viewing experience, while the front-firing speakers with audio by B&O deliver powerful custom-tuned sound. The laptop has one USB 3.1 Type-A, one USB 2.0 Type-A with sleep and charge function, one USB 3.1 Type-C, HDMI, Ethernet, one headphone and microphone combo for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with a 135-watt smart AC power adapter included in the box. The HP laptop comes with a standard 1-year domestic brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking or other methods.